So this slime I'm gonna try for Momo Slimes is the mini ice cream, and it comes with little charms and an ice cream cone. So this is, I don't remember exactly, but I think it's one with big snow. Oh my gosh, look how pretty little swirl is. This also smells like yogurt, like the Korean yogurt smell. It doesn't, I thought it would smell like strawberries because it's pink, but no, it smells like kind of like milk yogurt. Oh my gosh, that is so soft. Oh, that is soft. Oh, this is the softest slime I've played with. It's so soft. Okay, I'm just gonna take this one out. It's so soft. It feels so nice. It's like velvety smooth. And add, oh my gosh, it's so soft. It almost feels like a little bit wet, but not quite. I don't know how to. Look at the little charm. It's so cute. And then this big charm. Oh, I think, is this a cloud slime? This might be what they call a cloud slime or a cream slime. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think this might be my favorite one so far. It's so soft. The smell's a little bit too strong in this one for me. Oh, but it's so soft. It's like, I don't even know what I felt before that feels like this. It is like so soft. I am not getting that much fallout, I guess they call it, from this, because I think this is the one you make with fake snow, and so sometimes it could like fall out and stuff, but this is just it's just so soft. And look, my hands are clean-ish, as clean as they can be from slime. So this one definitely like is just soft, so it doesn't make a lot of like the more crunchy noises that the slimes I played with before made, but like, oh, this is just like therapeutic. It's so, I could do this all day. It's just so soft and nice. This is so nice. It's like petting a good cat, you know? Oh my gosh, I love this. I just love this. Like 10 out of 10. This is so nice. Okay, we're gonna try the last one now, and then I'm gonna spend my entire day playing with slime. This is my last slime. I'm almost like, I just don't want to open it because this one looks so pretty already. It is the Rosé Champagne, and it just looks so glittery, so pretty. Here we go. Oh, just look at how pretty this is. All the gold glitters. There's some came off on the cap too, but this gold. Okay, so this feels like, oh wait, oh, it smells like a really strong like lychee soap smell. Like it's nice now. If it's too strong, it might not be to some people's liking. But okay, you're gonna just do it go in. Oh, the top is like also very soft. The bottom is more like of, is this a jelly slime, I think? Okay, we're gonna pull it out. Oh, just look how pretty the pink is. Okay. Oh, this one's not sticky at all. It feels really smooth and silky. Oh, it's so, oh. I love that sound. The smell's a little bit too strong, but not like overwhelming. Just getting the rest of the sparkles off the lid. Just look at that. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It's like stretchy, it's soft, it makes nice noises. It smells so nice. This texture is so interesting too. It's like, I don't know how to describe slime textures. It's just a very smooth, velvety texture. Oh, I went a little too fast, I guess. Okay, gotta do the thing. How do you do this thing? When it like, that's cool. That is very cool. Oh, I like this. But it's a, okay, so the lychee smell, it is a rose scent. It is like a rose soap, but it still smells a little bit like lychee to me, like a little bit fruity. Fruity and floral, I guess. It can be a bit strong if you don't like perfume, and so it's a bit strong for me. But I think if you play with it a little more, it starts to lose some of that scent. This is so nice. Oh, I love these slimes. Okay, like, again, 10 out of 10. This is so nice. This is so nice. This is so nice. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see part 1 of me opening my box of slimes and then reviewing 2 others, or playing with 2 others, because I'm not fit to call myself a reviewer, please, I will leave a link somewhere in the description so you can check that one out. Please tell me what you think about these slimes, if you've ordered them yourself, and like what are your thoughts. If you're like more experienced in slime, what are these called and what am I doing wrong probably. And I hope to see you in my next video.